Hey guys, it's Dylan. Welcome to the new Beauty News NYC channel. Please subscribe and tell all your friends. Okay, today we are going to be unboxing the nail and cuticle set from Gingerchi. Amazing. So let's see what we have. First we have a note. It says, "Dear Dylan, hope you're doing well. Please enjoy the nail and cuticle set. Let us know if you have any questions. Take care, sending love, and Gingerchi, Anna." Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much, Anna. And if you can see, it has little Gingerchi logo, love that. And their website at the bottom, which is www.gingerchi.com. Great, thank you. Let's see what else we have in here. It looks like they gave us a little surprise along with the nail and cuticle set. It is the Ginger Citrus Sanitizer. Wonderful. Let's see, it says powerful, safe, 70% non-GMO alcohol and essential oils for cleansing hands and surfaces. That is so awesome. So I could clean my hands and I could also clean the countertops as well. Who knew? It smells pretty potent, actually, but in a good way. You can definitely smell the ginger and the citrus. I would love to get a bigger bottle and actually clean my surfaces with this. Thank you so much. We also have this bag with the Gingerchi logo, super cute. Let's see what's inside it. Okay, this is the nail and cuticle repair. I love the bottle. It says, hemp and fresh ginger helps restore chi to dry cuticles and brittle nails. To use, massage well into nails, concentrating on dry, flaky cuticles. Leave on for 15 minutes or longer before wiping off. So that is the nail and cuticle repair. And then we also have, let's see, the coconut ginger sugar scrub. I love that bottle as well. It's very cute. It's mini, I like it. It says to use, massage into wet skin, concentrating on rough areas to gently exfoliate and stimulate meridians. Rinse thoroughly and repeat as needed. For best results, follow with Gingerchi replenishing juniper oil to fortify and tone skin. Massage over whole body. So that is the coconut ginger sugar scrub and the nail and cuticle repair set, which go together. And that, I forgot to mention, is $23. And there's also one more thing in here. We have these cloth gloves. So you can put that, on your hands after you do your nail treatment, which is pretty cool. They're very, very soft. Ooh, I feel like a magician or something. I don't know, but they're very soft. So thank you so much for watching the Gingerchi video. Again, you can find all their stuff on www.gingerchi.com. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Dylan, and please subscribe to the new Beauty News NYC YouTube channel. Thanks, bye.